Okay, hello. So, this is DC Cuber. He doesn't like to talk that much. Yes, you know me. You may know me. Give me. Yes, I am Secret Monster. I'm with DC Cuber, and today we're gonna do a Rubik's Cube race. What these two show yours? Dude, guys, just to know, I suck at doing this, and he's a god at Rubik's Cubes. He has like 20, but yeah, we're gonna scramble ours. How about we scramble each other's? We're gonna scramble each other's. This is his.
Yes.
He just said a word, but okay. He said yes.
I know.
Yeah, you can talk now. I never knew you could talk. He talks a lot, but never in videos. And I wanted to do something else in his channel, but of course, we had to do stuff about Rubik's Cubes. Either way, yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's start. Put it right here. We're gonna do this interesting. I don't know why. Why you have my phone? Okay.
Timer.
For how long? How long? We're gonna do a timer. How long?
Stopwatch.
Stopwatch. Okay, we're gonna stopwatch. Okay, so we have the timer here. We gotta show it to the camera. We need what's it called? Stand for this. Angel that's gonna be looking at us for so long. Yeah. Wait. How about let's make it? We're gonna make this interesting. Okay. Put your Rubik's Cube right here. Stop solving it. I have to mix it up. This kid's solving the thing already. He's a god at doing this stuff. I do not look like Secret Monster. What's wrong with me? I am Secret Monster. I promise. Dude, what are you doing? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna make this interesting. Okay, we're gonna go back there, right? And then we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna. So okay, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do right now. Stop. Oh my god. What did this is a crazy video. Okay, so we're gonna go back there, right? And I'm gonna start a timer. We're gonna go back there, and then we're gonna run over here. We're gonna get who's gonna get the Rubik's Cube first, whatever, and then yeah. Because I'm faster than you, but you're better at me at Rubik's Cube. So dude, stop! Dude, this guy's already solving the thing. Okay, so we're gonna go back there. Okay. Put the timer. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out. Oh, yeah, sorry if the thing is weird. We'll tell you at the end what time it took us to do this, okay? We'll tell you the time. Because it looks weird, but we'll tell you the time. Dude, it sounds like you're almost done. I gotta go fast. This kid's about to solve it. Wait. I learned how to do a Rubik's Cube before. Slow and steady wins the race. What was that?
Almost fell.
You almost fell. Philippine. I don't know why I called him a Philippine. You're done. Well, I suck at this stuff. Let's see how long he did it for.
Let's do the 2x2.
He did that in 1 minute. 2x2. Next, we're gonna do 2x2. 2x2. Okay, go get the 2x2s, bro. I say boy, bro. Okay, this is my channel now. Hey guys. Ah! He just threw a 2x2 at me.
That's what you get.
Dude, I am not doing this with this one. Give me mine. Draco, for real, give me mine. Okay, this is mine, off-brand version, but who cares? Okay, we're gonna mix each other's. Okay, so the time that he did his Rubik's Cube, this one, he did that in 1 minute and 23 seconds. I suck at that stuff, so I am bad at this stuff. Okay, again, you can't see the thing good, but we're gonna tell you after, or I am gonna tell you after. So we're gonna do the same thing. Oh, I forgot to make yours. We're gonna do the same thing. So yeah, dude. Why do we have that there? We're not supposed to have that because we're doing it 2x2. Okay, right there. Now, how about when we get over here, I'm gonna put the timer on. Okay. So when I beat him in the race, cause I know I'm gonna beat him, I'm gonna start the thing. So this thing better not be off. It's off. This video is gonna take so long. Okay, Draco, go back there.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go back here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I suck at this stuff. Just because you're too good. This guy's about to solve it. Asha! Why am I distracted? He's already done. It took him 38 seconds and 38 seconds and
38 seconds, 0.3 seconds.
No, he did it in 38 seconds. 3 point. Yeah, dude, look what I've done. What is this? What are we doing next, Draco?
Pyramid.
We're doing a pyramid. Okay, this one's mine. This one's yours.
Scrambled it. I
Okay,
scrambled yours. Now I'm gonna talk for the rest of the video.
He's gonna talk for the rest of the video because he's weird, but okay. I didn't say anything. What? Ow! No, your brother's gonna see this, right? Does your brother look at your videos? Well, he's gonna see that you hit me. He's a hacker, by the way. The FBI is gonna get you now. I don't know how to scramble stuff, so I feel like my scramble, like this is gonna be bad and a good advantage for him. Stop going on my phone. Change it later. Tell me my password. Okay, so here's yours, here's mine. Okay. You start back from right here. Wait, I didn't start it yet. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Why is there 2x2? I hate you. I've been waiting so, bro. I scrambled that thing so bad. This kid's about to beat me in everything. DC Cuber is actually god at these, and this is my second day having these Rubik's Cubes. What the? Bro, what shot should I even do? I'm doing this side. Ay. Draco, I swear to God. I'm almost done with one side. And this kid's like done with like... This kid's like a god. Like... 1 minute and 3 seconds. Exactly 1 minute and 3 seconds. Show them all yours. Show them all yours. This is all of his. He did his. This is mine. Look at my trash. Dude, stop. Dude. Well, I guess you win. Good game. Good game. Yeah! No! Diego, if you're watching this, please help me.